This league is really fucking testing me, isn't it? So this is our second attempt at playing this. We disconnected mid-game, which sucks, I guess, but we weren't that far into it. We can just recreate is what Jay and I said. So yeah, let's do this, just that. The battle was not going all that well, for me at least. For Jay's was going swimmingly. So Jay absolutely fucking wrecked me on my Tox turns, which was kudos to him. But yeah, we're just waiting until the communication works out. And yeah. I think saying good luck, have fun at this point is a bit redundant. We already did so, and it didn't work, evidently. But yeah, you'll just see what happened. It was a fairly standard battle. I lost momentum at the start with a slow volt switch. And yeah, I mean, started going downhill from there. But we were 5-5 at the time, so game is still open. Yeah, I led Zap, he led Rotom. We had the classic U-turn volt switch turn. See what happened after. Oh my god, we got a crit. That crit mattered so much, guys. Then J-Volt switches into Conkeldurr. I went hard Sylveon. He bulked up, and I hoped I would outspeed, which I did not. The thing is, here, Facade has a chance to not kill. Yeah. I click Hyper Voice here, Faith Facades, and I have a 12% chance to live, so let's hope I don't. Otherwise we have to recreate this again. That just blows me back. Okay. Then I went Toxtricity. Click the raw Boom Burst. Lax is coming in on his end. That's about the roll I got last time. I Volt Switch as he goes Rotom. And on this play I switch in Conk, and I hope to catch the Lando switch in with a Scald, which horribly backfires as it gives Conkeldurr another free switch in, which then happens to blow back, well, lung cancer, because I don't want to give him a free setup turn. So I Scald here, Conk comes out, and he Drain Punches me to Kingdom Come. So, any damage here does not matter. The Drain Punch will just recover it all back. I went for Rocks, I think. Just in case he did overpredict. So yeah, that's fucking dead. Losing Sylveon early in this game really, really bad, I think. Then again, him saying, okay, I'm just gonna beat your Palace hand with a set that can only hit it with one non-stab move. That was kind of a hard call in my opinion, but it worked. Then I max, I go for Stun Shock. Fuck, I did not go Stun Shock. I think I went Boom Burst, but I'm not sure. Wait, I think that's right. Okay, so it went Stun Shock. Fox goes around fucking smashing its guitar everywhere. We don't get the para this turn, which is bad. But, yeah, I went Stun Shock again. No para doesn't matter because he switched anyway and it died, so... Oh yeah. Morganite comes out. Can we get status here? We get the exact same status here, that is good. And here is where I oopsied, because I went Ood, hoping to get a free stat boost. But he went back into Excalibur. And my Dynamic Sense, and I click Volt Switcher and kill. So, let's hope I kill it here. Alice Cooper, please. Yep, okay. So we're back at square one. We are back at square one. With his Boom Burst immunity being dead. So... I think my play here is to go Zappy. Because he can't switch in Lando and intimidate me. This invites in Rotom, but hardly anything I can do about that. Rotom comes out. And on you, what is my play? I think I just U-turn on you, right? Against Rotom Heat. Let's see. Close combat does 66 to 78 if you are just max HP, but I think you're Phys Def as well, so I'll need to lower you a bit more. So another U-turn is it is. You're at half health now, so the next close combat should just obliterate you. The next close combat definitely kills this. So I think Arnautovic is my play here. As another U-turn comes out. Not U-turn, Volt Switch, of course. That's a lot of damage. That is a lot of damage. The general, that is you. Right. How does this look? Do I need Cinderace for anything? Not really. Cinderace gets bopped by almost everything. I think I'm just gonna Super Fang here. I'm gonna Super Fang and reduce your health to half. Because that way, that makes it easier for G-Sap to do its thing. Rock Polish. Oh my god. I may already be dead. Leftovers. I do not think I live this. I do not think I can do anything about this now. Rock Polish is very, very good bring. Very, very, very good bring. I am not going to lie. Phenomenal. I don't think I can do anything. I think I am just done. Unless Melmetal can live in Earthquake. Gravity? What kind of set is this? If you can get a lucky Powerball burn here. Okay. Let's not throw this. Let's not throw this now. He cannot set up, because I just kill. So... And Melmetal looks like it lives in Earthquake, always. So we're not fucked yet. We're not dead yet. We're not dead yet. I am just gonna click Iron Head, because at this point, it kills. No, I'm gonna click Fireball. I'm not gonna throw. There comes the Quake, I'm dead. Arnautovic goes down, but he did well. He did well. Hulkbuster comes out. And hopefully does not get crit by an Earthquake. I'm gonna, of course, double Iron Bash here. There's nothing else to click. And Zapdos may be able to clean up. I am not sure, but it may be able to clean up. Like, this game is far from over yet. We are 3-5 currently, but a lot of his mons are very, very low. And I have a Scarfer in the back, so... Like... Diancie is on its last legs, Rotom is at half, Aegislash is dead, Lando is about to die, and Lax is also dangerously low. There comes the Earthquake. Please do not crit me. I swear to God. Thank you. So... He's gonna see the second Life Orb. Lando and Aegislash are dead, which is very, very good. Because, well, that makes Toxicity's life a lot easier. Morganite comes out. Why this? What's the plan here? I just double Iron Bash again, right? Earth Power, okay, that kills. But here Beep Beep just gets to click funny moves, right? Um... Okay, now I am worried. U-turn doesn't kill. Brave Bird absolutely kills. And I'm running out of sacks. I think I'm gonna CC. This might be a misplay. But... This might be a big misplay, but I'm gonna CC. I'm not sure if that was the right play. I don't know if Zapdos has this. Actually, maybe. Maybe it does. Because what's left? Lax can't come in because it just dies. Conkeldurr has to come in, right? No. Lax always has it. Lax has it in the bag. Lax is too thick, I think. Because Conk comes out now to take one, most likely. Or Hot Pockets comes out. Does he think I'm banded? Does he think I'm banded? Because I will gladly take this from you. If you're inviting me to. If you're saying you're letting me close combat this, then be my guest. But I'm sure I'm missing something. No, it's just dead. Wait. Okay. Alright. I have to play this really, really smartly, though. And I'm not good at that. Big Poppy comes out. Why? Because it lives, right? It should absolutely live this CC. And it's gonna rest, isn't it? There, I have no play other than to play close combat. Out comes the max. Out comes the max. Let's see. A crit would be massive, but I just think Arrest is coming. I mean, Arrest wouldn't really do anything for you. It's Troupple. Okay, GG. GG. There's no way a Boom Burst KOs you from this range. I'm just dead. And Toxtricity would need a very, very, very big hit to kill this thing. I doubt it even physically can. Like, even a crit Boom Burst. Like, I'm just calcing for bans here. I've accepted defeat. But yeah, this is, even if this is max offensive lax and I get a crit Boom Burst, I kill. But that's not something to hope for. Yeah, no. Okay. GG's to Jay. This is gonna kill me with Earthquake here. Yep. GG's to Jay. Good game. Coppleberry lags definitely screwed me over. And losing both, what are they called? Losing both Sylveon and Colossus at the start of the game, that hurt me a lot. So, yeah, GG's to Jay. And we lose our first game of this new league. And I'll see you guys next week, hopefully for 3 battles, because I really need to get up the standard here. And, yeah. GG's to Jay. Watch out for yourselves. See you next time.